Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations. Down here at Lowe's Home Improvement, and I checked out these Craftsman toolboxes. Figured to give you a quick walk around on them. Pretty nice for the price. I mean, you're looking at about $750 out the door, which is cheaper than it costs for just the lower box at Harbor Freight. Got some neat features too. Check out this little handlebar. Pushes back in so you can have it right up against the wall. They also included some place for some hooks, which I thought was a good deal. And on the back as well, you can see there's hooks on top here. Like a lot of modern products, there is a power strip with some USB stuff in there. And it says 1,500 pound capacity, 100-pound load for each drawer. It's not bad. It's their S2000 line. It does have these soft closed drawers, which are, I don't know, man. Like for me, that's not that big a deal, but some people might like that. I'm just happy if my drawers actually close. You know what I mean? Now, the lower box is pretty nice too. The bottom part of it, I don't know. I guess the layout, maybe I would have changed a little bit on those bottom drawers, but I do like the red a whole lot better than I like the black, but that's just personal preference. I don't know if they're on clearance or if this is just a kind of a Black Friday, Christmassy type thing, but I do like that. I think the red sticks out a little better. I think it's nice. I will say they're not as tall as they look, with the hood up on them. It makes it seem like they're a pretty tall box, but if you close the lids on them, they're not exactly as tall as you would think.